Hello everybody, I hope everyone's well, having a fantastic day today. Today I'm cooking some British outdoor bread, 6 pork caramelised red onion sausages from M&S. Some ingredients, possibly. Yeah, some ingredients there. Only 75%. And I'm going to fry them. So I'm going to put some butter in a pan and fry it. I've got some very large eggs as well, so I'm going to have a couple of them. Some sliced brioche rolls, or sorry, brioche burger buns, which I got from Aldi, should I say. Got from Aldi. Ingredients are up there somewhere. Bit of streaky bacon. So I'm just going to chuck that in the pan as well. And that'll be that all cooking lovely. As always, there's a bit of butter. So just thanks for everyone who's subscribed to the channel. So there's been a few more people subscribing, lots of people watching. And yeah, the numbers are slowly going up, which is great. Thanks very much everyone for that. Hopefully you can still hear me. What I'll probably do is with the brioche rolls, burger buns, I will just butter them and pop them in the air fryer. 250, max crisp, 3 minutes. Cool, look at them. What these taste like. So, not tried these before. In fact, I don't think I've had. Yeah, I have actually. I had some long dogs, didn't I? From M&S. Watching plump, don't they? Over there. Got the bacon doing its thing. So yeah, the brioche rolls are already pre-cut. So just a bit of Kerrygold on the rolls. There you go. The rolls are buttered. Just going to pop them in the air fryer. Let's get some of these sausages turned over a bit. Pork and red onion. Oh yeah, the bacon's coming on all right. So how's everyone doing? Everyone having a great day today? Enjoying the sunshine again? Been out in the garden, cutting grass, or just chilling? Or busy at work, snowed under, working flat out? So I'm going to have my streaky bacon pretty crunchy. So I think it's reached that consistency now. So I'm just going to pull that out, pop it in a bowl. Drain a bit of the fat off it. And maybe get the eggs in there. Like that. So there you go. Get some eggs in that butter. Oh, look at that. It's nice and fresh, that one. A nice looking egg there. And that one. Lovely. So if you're wondering, I got the eggs from Aldi as well today. Along with the brioche rolls, and I think they were around 75p or something. I know they weren't very expensive because they were like, yeah, I was around a couple of them. I'll put these separate a little bit. Drop it there. There we go. Lovely. And do the thing. Oh, smells good. So I might give them sausages a bit of a cut down the middle. That's a bit easier, wouldn't they? Yum. Give them a minute on the either side. That's enough of that. Get them off of there. They're good to go. Right. Put that out. Right. There you go. Right. Get served. I thought I'd let you have a look inside one of the sausages. See what they're looking like. Full of juices. Look at that. Oh yeah. Looking good. Just checking. Coated in a bit of butter. Bit of kerrygold butter at that. And bit of egg. Looking well cooked now, aren't they? Just a bit of that sausage, just so I can get them nice and flat in there. I know it sounds like I'm trying to blow up a boat, but it's just the way I breathe. Here we go. A bit of well cooked streaky bacon. Maybe a little bit overcooked, but it's all good because I'll be eating it. So there we go. And oh, sorry, keep doing that, don't I? And there you go. Cut the crusty rolls on top. Oh, it's looking good. It's looking like it's going to be. Oh. Looking good. Right. Hopefully you can see me. Yeah, microphone's up there now. Change sides. Don't know why. Just seems a better idea. So there they are. I've got a bit of campfire mayo. Never tried before. Don't usually have a lot of mayo. Oh yeah, it's there. You go. You might have to pause it and run up to your TV and look at it and read it. I don't know. Something like that. Trying to sniff it with the lid on it, but you know, it's one of them lids that you can't get into. Ingredients are rapeseed oil, water, white wine vinegar, pasteurised, egg yolk, sugar, corn flour, salt. I can't even read that. Raw berry extract, mustard seeds, vinegar, smoked salt, smoked water. Don't know about that. Surely if it's smoked water, or smoked salt, smoked water, yeast extract, coarse black pepper. There you go. Give it a go if you want, or not. So, don't usually have a lot of mayo. But I do have a lot of burgers, which is always good. There you go. Something like that. So, egg, sausage, streaky bacon, and yeah, bit of drip. What's it taste like? It sounds like this is the wrong place for my microphone again. It's alright, I found somewhere else to stick it this time. It's got a lot of moisture in it, a lot of juices. If you like a juicy sausage, there's definitely a lot of juices in this. It was a juicy sausage. Plenty of juices in that juicy sausage. As for the campfire mayo, do you know what? Oh, I actually like that. I had doubts that I wasn't going to like it, but there you go, nice bit of it on there. That'd probably be quite nice with some burgers. It's quite nice with some scapy sausage, trying to get out of it. So the onions are onions, the pork, red onion sausages, caramelised. That tastes really nice, yeah. I'd have them again, definitely. In fact, I will have them again at some point, maybe tomorrow, because I've still got a couple left. So I'm gonna have them sometime, aren't I? Gonna use them up. Don't waste food. And the campfire mayo, I'll be firing a load of that into the other one, which is still there. That's nice and loud, isn't it? And yeah, forgot what I was going to say now. There was some flipping idiot on a motorbike flipping, ringing it out at 5 million decibels. Because you need to do that in an estate, don't you? Because that's how you make people like you so much more. Well, we're all young once, so yeah, you know, it's all right until someone goes and does it outside his house, and then there'll probably be trouble somewhere along the line. But enough of that rambling, eh? I'm not going to go on about that. That's we'll stay away from that. And yeah, so the sausages, the egg, the streaky bacon all come together, lovely, and I'll carry on enjoying my breakfast, lunch, dinner. If you like it, give us a like. If you didn't, then maybe the next video, or the one before, is maybe the video that you want to watch. If you can subscribe, it'll help the channel. Brilliant. There's a few on there, so have a look back maybe, and yeah, I'm sure there's something that will tick the box. And if it doesn't, there might be one in a couple of weeks. Yeah. Enjoy day, people. I will see you later, and I'll catch you tomorrow for another one. Bye-bye.